Hello guys, welcome back. Today we are going to discuss about the left out topic in model question of part 4. So first question, the specific surface of clay soil is dash than silt and clay. So you want to find whether it is smaller, equal or larger. So actually the clay soil is several times larger than the silt and sand. Okay, the specific surface of a clay soil is always larger when compared to the silt and sand. The clay soil is always larger. So option C is the correct answer, several times larger. So next question, for moderate land slopes and small to moderate size irrigation streams, which of the following border length under surface irrigation are suggested for clay loam and clay soils? So first find out the table, note down the table. So in general, length, border length, and this is soil, types of soil. So actually, so when the border length is 60 to 120 meter, it is for sandy soil and sandy loam soil, sandy and sandy loam soil. Okay, sandy loam soil. For border length of 100 to 180 meter, it is medium loam soil, medium loam soil. The same way, when it is 150 to 300 meter, it is for clay or clay loam soil. So clay or clay loam soil. So these are the things where the border length is under surface irrigation. So important table. This is for moderate slopes. Moderate slopes and size. So yeah, the correct option is 150 to 300 meter because it is a clay or clay soil, clay loam and clay soil. So option C is the correct answer. Next question. The maximum spacing between the ditch system of water table control and surface drainage in sandy soil. So maximum spacing between ditch system. So maximum spacing we can find this in parallel ditch system. Parallel ditch system. Okay. So the maximum spacing where in clay soil it is 60 meter. In clay soil it is 60 meter and the minimum depth is 0.9 meter for clay soil. Okay. In case of sandy soil, the maximum spacing is 200 meter. 200 meter and the minimum depth is 1.2 meter. Okay. So here the question is asked for sandy soil. So the maximum spacing between the ditch system or water table control and surface drainage sandy soil is 200 meter. Option C is the correct answer. Next, the bedding field drainage system most practicable for slopes is less than. Actually, the bedding is always for slopes less than 1.5 percentage. Slopes less than 1.5 percentage, and the bed width varies from 7 to 11 meter for very slow internal drainage. Very slow internal drainage. In the same way, when the bed width varies from 13 to 15 meter, it is for slow internal drainage. So the bed width varies from 13 to 15 meter for slow internal drainage, and the length of the bedding varies from 90 to 300 meter. Okay, these are the important things you want to note down in the bedding field drainage system. Okay, drainage system. These are the numericals. It is already asked in examinations. Drainage system. So here in question, the bedding field drainage system most practicable for slope less than 1.5 percentage. Option A is the correct answer. Next question. The electrical conductivity is greater than 10 mm HOS by centimeter of irrigation drainage water, then it is considered under the class of high saline water. If it is higher than 10, it is classified as high saline water. So option B is the correct answer. Next question. Perched water table. Perched water table means it's a special case of phreatic aquifer. Okay. So option A is the correct answer. It is not an artesian aquifer, leaky and confined aquifer. Okay. Then, which of the following techniques involves in recording the characteristic properties of subsurface material obtained during drilling? So, it is well logging. It is a recorded description during drilling process. Recorded description of encountered throughout the drilling. So it is said to be well logging encountered throughout the drilling. So we can find what is the layers present in the soil drilling process. And the subsurface materials which are obtained, we can record those information. It is known as well logging. Next question. Darcy's law for groundwater flow through porous media states that velocity of the flow is proportional to the hydraulic gradient. Hydraulic gradient. Okay. Option B is the correct answer. Next question. The basic objectives of well development. So well development in the sense we are removing the process of removing the silt and fine gravel. Removing silt, fine gravel from the aquifer surrounding the perforated section. From the aquifer surrounding the perforated sections is known as developing well or well development. Perforations is known as well development. So the first to increase the capacity of the specific well, correct. So to stabilize the sand formation around the well screen, this statement is also correct. Main objectives, and to obtain the maximum economic life. Actually the well is developed to get the maximum economic life. Okay. So to remove organic or inorganic material from the formation surrounding the perforated section. So we do not know whether it is organic or inorganic material. So this statement is wrong. So 1, 2, 3. So sorry, here the option is given wrong. 1, 2, 3 is the correct answer. Option B is the correct answer. Next question. The volume of water discharged from the well per unit time is called as well yield. So it is known as well yield. The volume of water discharged from a well per unit time is called well yield. So option A. Next question. The reciprocating pump is an example of. So actually the pumps are classified into so displacement pump, centrifugal pump, and turbine pump, and then propeller pump, and then airlift pump. Okay, airlift pump. So this displacement pump can be further divided into reciprocating type and rotary type. Okay. So here we are going to discuss about this reciprocating pump. This reciprocating pump is also known as positive displacement pump. Positive displacement pump. So this reciprocating pump develops high head, but the capacity is lower. Develops high head and the capacity is lower. So this actually the speed of the reciprocating pump is low when compared to the other sort of pumps. So the speed also is lower and the power required is high in reciprocating pump. So for this question the correct option is option C, positive displacement pump. So next question. So when the speed of the pump is changed, the head of the pump changes as square of the speed. So option B, square of the speed. Option B is the correct answer. Next question. A Persian wheel is a water lifting device which is suitable to lift over a height up to. So Persian wheel, it can lift a water height up to 10 meter, but sometimes it is the 6.7 meter is satisfactory. Okay, satisfactory for Persian wheel. So then this Persian wheel, the capacity of bucket ranges from 7 to 14 liters. So in Persian wheel we can use as the camel to flow water from the ground. So take the water from the ground. So the capacity ranges from, the average discharge varies from 10,000 liters 10,000 liters of water per hour. Okay, from a depth of 9 meter. From the depth of 9 meter. These are the key points regarding the Persian wheel. So other than we want to know on the Persian wheel is nothing. Okay, fine. Here the option option A is the correct answer, 10 meter. So up to 10 meter we can lift the water up to a suitable height. Next question. In which condition mixed flow pump is suitable? So mixed flow pump is suitable for high discharge and medium head. Mixed flow pumps are used. Mixed flow pump. Okay. Then next question. Among the following statements, which is correct? So in submersible pump, the pump element and the motor operate while entirely submerged. Yes, this statement is correct. Pump element and motors are submerged. It can be operated only in submersible pump. Then hydraulic ram works on the principle of the water hammer. Absolutely correct. The changing the impeller diameter have not given the same effect on the pumps. No. It can create the differences in the performance of the speed by changing the impeller. So this statement is wrong. So 1 and 3 is the correct answer. Option B is the correct answer for this question. Next question. Which of the following is expressed as the ratio of effective field capacity to the theoretical field capacity? So it is nothing but field efficiency. So field efficiency is equal to actual field capacity by theoretical field capacity. Effective field capacity or actual field capacity. Okay. Option A is the correct answer. Next question. In a field having a heavy trash, it is recommended to use. So what are the types of coulter we want to use when they are having the, for heavy trash condition? Heavy trash condition, we can use the notched coulter. Notched coulter. Okay. So here option B is the correct answer. Next question. Rotary tillers have a draft requirements. Rotary tillers have a so it always have a low or negative draft. So basically the rotary tiller have a negative draft only. Okay. So option A is the correct answer. Next question. Which one of the following method is in which spacing between the rows is same as that between the plants? So check rowing is a method of spacing between the rows is same and as the dove between the plants. So option C is the correct answer. Transplanting no, hill dropping nothing, none of it. So option C is the correct answer. Next question. Dash is the sum of seeds into the seed tank plus the losses from the rear of the machine per unit time. So it is known as seed feed rate. Okay, seed feed rate. Seed feed rate means seeds in the tanks plus losses from the rear of the machine per unit time. So option B is the correct answer. Seed feed rate. Then what is the average blade depth of 2-row harvester? 2-row harvester average blade depth varies from depth is 10 centimeter. So option B is the correct answer. Next question. Which of the following thresher is quite successful and recommended for paddy threshing? For paddy threshing we can go with the axial flow thresher, which is quite successful when compared to the other types of thresher. So option C is the correct answer. Next question. What are the functions of the flywheel of the thresher? So flywheel means to store the energy and supply it continuously. So thank you for watching my